Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle with Glamour Has No Age. I just figured I'd show you what I picked up, what came in from Ipsy today, and what I bought. I have some Sephora stuff. I shopped that sale. In Ipsy, I got the Professional Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. It looks like that. Let's see if I can open up the bottle. The bottle looks like this. So I'll be happy to give this a go. So we got that. They chose that for me. And then I have this Appeal, looks like that, hydrating eyeshadow primer. Oh, that's interesting. It has a cool tip on it. It looks like that. Doesn't say if it's vegan or not. I don't think it's vegan, so I have to be careful. Well, that's one thing. Then they chose for me the Ellie Oop Face Game Second Skin Concealer. I'm in shade Standout. I don't know how this is gonna look. It looks like that. So I'll give that a go. I picked up the soft brown it's by LYS. It's the Secure the Brow soft brown. I picked it up in. It looks like this. And the tip is teeny tiny. So you gotta be careful with that. So I'll give that a go. And then the main thing of the Ipsy bag was the Natasha Denona palette in Rose and Wood. It has metallics, chroma crystal, cream to matte. I love this metallic formula. It's good for aging eyes. It doesn't make your eyes age. I mean, it's just phenomenal. So I'm really excited to give that a go. I got some perfumes. This one's by Define Me. It's a Floret Rose Crystal. The notes are lychee, strawberry, nectar, champagne, rose petal, rhubarb, tuberose, cashmere wood, cedar wood, sheer musk, rose quartz crystals. There are rose crystals in the bottle. See? And it looks like that. I have it on this side. I like the way it smells. Doesn't give me a headache. I have to be careful what type of rose scents I use because I can have a headache. I picked up 2 more perfumes by Tokyo Milk. And this is Honey in the Moon. This is Sweet Honey, Sugared Violet, Jasmine, and Sandalwood. Radiant Gem, Lemon Balm, Amber, Winter Daphne, and Musk. I have this one on this arm. It smells good. I'm happy with those two purchases. Then I have the Peachy Nude Lip Velvet from Anastasia. It looks like that. Let's try this on. It does feel like velvet. I like it. I like the color too. So that's a win. And then I ordered soap from Beauty Blender. I like the charcoal soap. The liquid one, it cleans the Beauty Blender and also use it for brushes. It looks like this. I ordered 4 of those. And it came with a free Beauty Blender for Christmas and like a little container to hold your Beauty Blender, which I thought was nice. Let's see, from Sephora. I got a couple of things. I got the Dior. You get a Dior bag. It was the, haven't even unwrapped it yet. I have the Dior Lip Glow Oil, Cherry Oil. Looks like that. And then I got the Rosy Glow blush. And it looks like that. It's a pink. I figured for winter. Although I have a lot of makeup. And you get this cute little Dior makeup bag. I picked up the Merit Mini Flash Trio Balm. I have the colors Mood, the color Stockholm, and the color Bespoke. These are very sheer. These are what they look like. So it looks like that. I like this formula because it's sheer. I have a problem with blush. I like a lot of blush. I don't go out for work. I work out of my home, but I got the Natasha Denona Roxa palette. It looks like that. So, out of my comfort zone, but hey, it washes off. So, oh, also from my Ipsy haul, I got the Pat McGrath Divine Rose Luxe Eternal Eden Quad. It looks like that. I don't know what possessed me, but I did it. I got the HD Skin Face Essentials palette. So, concealer, bronzer, foundation. This is the light medium. Blushes, highlighters. Looks like that. So, I figured that'd be fun to play around with. I also picked up the Buxom Pout Party. It was on sale. It was like, it was less than, it was on a good sale. I love Buxom products. This is the Plump Shot Lip Serum Duo. This is Dolly Babe. That's a pretty color. And then this one's just a clear. Looks like that. And I think that's all I have to show you for this time. Well, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video.